Welcome to Kamsiparts Automotive Limited. Today, we will be talking about car bumper and its functions. What is a car bumper? A bumper is a part of a car with hinges or is built in, and usually placed at the front or back. Bumpers are often placed at various extreme points of a car, be it at the front or rear. Bumper shape and placement are very dependent on the design ideas of an automaker. Visually, the bumper will form a unity with the whole car. Bumpers can make the car look more stylish and elegant. Many drivers still think that the bumper is just a decorative element in a car, but, unfortunately, its role is not good enough to make many drivers remove the bumper to become a standard version of the car. The modern bumper is designed to be a durable element because it is designed to absorb multiple impacts, although often explosive and can be broken into small pieces. The bumper is designed to extinguish kinetic energy in the event of a collision. Car bumper functions. In addition to functioning as external security, car bumpers also have several additional functions, so some models are called the front end. There are several functions of the bumper that are very useful for a car. 1. Avoid serious injury. The car bumper serves to protect pedestrians from getting severe injuries in an accidental collision. As a result, many manufacturers install car bumpers with rigid materials equipped with rubber pads so that the level of bumper stiffness becomes more optimal. 2. Safety standards after minor collision. Older cars mostly use bumpers made of metal, making it easier for the bumper to change shape due to its impact. However, metal material makes car bumpers more dangerous for pedestrians in the event of a collision. 3. Improve car aerodynamics. The modern bumper is made with a cool appearance in mind, making the car look more aerodynamic. There have been many car bumpers whose edges are folded to the rear to maintain downforce. 4. To install the Parktronic sensor. Parktronic sensors can be mounted on the bumper. The role of Parktronic sensors is critical in a car because they can help drivers when parking. At least 4 sensors are usually installed on the rear bumper, so that the distance from other vehicles can be appropriately maintained. 5. To install the fog lights. The bumper of the car also serves as a place to install fog lights. The presence of fog lights is beneficial in foggy or rainy road conditions. With fog lights, you can still drive safely even if the weather conditions are not good. Types of car bumpers. Car bumpers come in various types, each with its own unique characteristics and design. Some of the common types include: 1. Standard bumpers. These are the factory-installed bumpers that come with most vehicles. They are designed to meet general safety standards and provide basic protection. 2. High-performance bumpers. These are aftermarket bumpers designed for specific vehicle models. They offer enhanced durability and can withstand greater impacts compared to standard bumpers. 3. Off-road bumpers. Off-road vehicles often feature specialized bumpers designed to withstand rugged terrains and protect the vehicle's front and rear from obstacles. 4. Steel bumpers provide excellent strength and durability. They are popular among off-road enthusiasts and offer enhanced protection in various driving conditions. Materials used in car bumpers. Car bumpers can be made from different materials, each offering its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Some commonly used materials include: 1. Plastic. Most modern car bumpers are made from plastic or polymer materials due to their lightweight nature and ease of manufacturing. Plastic bumpers can effectively absorb impact energy and are relatively affordable to replace. 2. Fiberglass. Fiberglass bumpers are known for their strength and flexibility. They are commonly used in high-performance vehicles and offer better resistance to dents and scratches. 3. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber bumpers are lightweight, yet extremely strong. They provide excellent protection and are often found in luxury and sports car models. 4. Aluminum. Aluminum bumpers are lightweight and resistant to corrosion. They are commonly used in off-road vehicles due to their durability and ability to withstand harsh conditions. Should you replace your bumper? Although bumpers rise to the challenge, their physical appearance often crumbles. Bumpers are actually one of the most damaged parts of a vehicle, therefore, it's important to check on its condition from time to time. Consider a visit to your local mechanic. Ask the professionals to confirm that everything is intact, including the trim, molding, and interior components. In all reality, bumpers can be deceiving. A simple fender bender might leave your exterior completely unscathed. The interior, on the other hand, might be in shambles. Depending on the extent of the damage, you might have to replace your bumper entirely. That will be all for today. To get an original car part anywhere in Nigeria, visit www.kamsiparts.com.